In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some examples of the way we expect you to design websites, specifically mobile websites. So for this example, we're looking at this client, Soma Breath. This is their original page, and if we look at this on a mobile device, you can see that it's not really effective. The background image is washed, you can't really tell what it is. So we asked our designer to redesign this. I gave him instructions about the hero section, the header section, getting that right, giving us different examples, and this is what he came up with. He has this image up here, which is essentially this image just shrunk down, and on a mobile device, this would take most of the real estate, and it would end somewhere here probably. You couldn't see the call to action. So here's another example that he did. We can see here, this is the title and the subtitle. Usually the title is bigger than the subtitle. Spacing here is not really good. You can see here is another variation of the same thing. And this is a Facebook landing page, and on Facebook most people are on mobile devices, so this is why it's so important. Here's another one, and this is a breathwork meditation company. So this image here, it kind of shows meditation, but as you can see, these are just the different examples that he has come up with. So nothing really amazing that's gonna really stand out. So just a simple design. So I just want to show you some examples of the final product and what's involved. So the first step to good design is to actually study the client's website, understand what is this about. So if we go to the website, and we provide you the details of the website. If we go here, you can see the process of this product. Step 1, creative visualization. So then if you read through here, awakening is a powerful intention setting breath work. So breath work, visualization, creativity. Let's see here. Meditation, creative imagination, creative vision, feeling and sense of clarity about a dream life. Transformative breathwork technique supercharge a state of passion, flow, and determination by rising emotional energy, high self-esteem, and confidence. So these are all keywords, creativity, imagination, meditation, breathwork, hypnotic, subconscious mind, dream life, or bliss. So these are all keywords you want to plug into iStock Photo. Awakening, enlightenment, spirituality. So these are all the different keywords that will give you some great images, and it's all about the images. And if you go through here, you can see some of the images here, and you can see how many. So for each one of these things, like meditation, you want to go through 20 to 30 pages of iStock Photo and just find some really nice images, just to give you an idea. And also blending different images together. This is a good example of two images blended together. Just trying to come up with a concept, and it's all about spending time on iStock Photo to find these beautiful images. Breathing. This will also give you some colors, some color ideas, because this client wanted to change their color scheme as well. Background patterns that we can use. And the reason why I'm emphasizing this is because the images are the main thing on this website. They're going to be the thing that stand out the most. So you want to make sure you spend a lot of time trying to find these images. Okay, and you can just keep going. These are beautiful images. You can see this girl looks very peaceful. Here's an example of an image that's blended. So just thinking creatively of how can I blend these images together. Right, breathing. So now I just want to, and you can see there's so many images here that I've acquired. they give me ideas of how can I form this website. Okay, now if we look at these JPEGs now, so you can see here, this was that this is one image, and then I took another one and blended it on top of this to add some magic to it. And you can see how we have the heading right away. We have the free guided meditation in the video, and it just blends really nicely. And this image kind of looks like this video. You see, it's on a beach in the water, so it works well together. And we wanna send the client numerous examples so they can see what works best for them. You can see here we have this is a blending of two images working to make this stand out, so you fade it out a little bit and it just looks peaceful. Here's another example. This is actually the same image, just this one has a different adjustment layer on top to make it blue, so you can see these two different concepts. And then we send client both of them and see what he likes more. And I just want to walk you through all these so you can get an idea. So here's another example of the man breathing in, because this is a healing breathwork technique that allows you to activate your inner pharmacy. So just different concepts, very different, so you can see here, a woman taking a beautiful breath in, just a lot of emotion, it looks peaceful. And it's all about images. Here I didn't do much blending with images, I just added it there, tried different, resize it to see what works better, position it, see which positioning is the best. Yeah, I tried this, it doesn't work too well, but it's not bad. And this also shows the client that we're trying different concepts. So you can see here, this is I added a couple of blending modes and adjustment layers to get this image. So you can see I took this flower here, these pink flowers with a beautiful background, very subtle, and then added a blue layer on top of it to give it this effect. So this is very nice. And on mobile it's about simplicity. You don't want to overdo it either. You don't want to make it too heavy. Here's another example of a subtle background. And you want to make sure that the background doesn't have too many colors, so you can't really read it. This looks clean, looks spiritual. Okay, so this is an example of mobile page design. You can see how it looks. It needs to flow smoothly. It needs to blend well with the rest of the design. So this all looks good. Okay, and this section up here is the most important. That's the main section that people are going to look at and land on and decide whether they're going to stay or not. So it's very important that the image and the way it's laid out is done effectively.